Welcome to xCloud tutorial. Today we will learn WordPress website migration with Migrate Guru plugin in xCloud. Let's get started. Start with logging into your xCloud account with credentials. If your destination website is ready, go to All Sites, then the destination site. Now click on Magic Login to access the WordPress admin dashboard. The next step is installing the Migrate Guru plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, then click on Add New Plugin in the submenu. Here search for Migrate Guru plugin, install and activate it. Head to Migrate Guru in your WordPress admin menu and copy the migration key. It's important for linking your sites. Let's go to the source website from WordPress dashboard to complete the migration process. Now in your source website, install and activate the Migrate Guru plugin, the same way we did earlier. Enter your email address, checkmark to agree the terms and policy, and click Migrate site on your source website. Now select the host you are migrating to. Choose Other Host and proceed. Enter the migration key to your source site, paste the key you retrieved earlier, and click Migrate to begin the process. Once the migration is complete, you can now visit the migrated site. And there you have it. That's how you migrate a website using Migrate Guru and xCloud. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for future updates. Until next time, happy migrating!